In this video, I'll show you how to add money from your bank account to Cash App without needing a debit card. This method is safe, secure, and works for anyone who wants to transfer funds directly from their bank. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. On the home screen, look at the bottom left corner and tap on the bank icon. This is also called the Banking tab. Here, you'll see your Cash App balance and several options related to adding and managing funds. Next, look for the button that says Link Bank or Linked Accounts. Tap on it. If you haven't added a bank account before, the app will prompt you to do so. Tap on the option to link a bank account. Now, you'll see a list of banks. Scroll to find your bank or use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. Once you select your bank, Cash App will ask you to sign into your online banking. This step is completely safe and secure. It allows Cash App to connect to your bank account without requiring a debit card. Enter your online banking username and password just as you normally would when checking your account online. Then follow the prompts to give Cash App permission to connect your bank account. Once this is done, your bank will be linked to your Cash App account. Now, return to the main screen of Cash App and tap the bank icon again to open the Banking tab. Here, you'll see an option that says Add Cash. Tap on it. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to transfer from your bank to your Cash App balance. Type in the amount and tap Add. Since your bank account is now linked, the funds will be pulled directly from your bank account. Keep in mind that transfers without a debit card usually take between 1 to 3 business days to show up in your Cash App balance. The exact time depends on your bank and Cash App's processing schedule. If you want the money to arrive faster, Cash App does offer an instant deposit feature, but that usually requires a debit card. Without a debit card, you'll need to wait for the standard processing time. If you ever want to check the status of your transfer, go back to the Banking tab, tap on your balance, and scroll down to see recent transactions. This section will show you when the money has been added to your Cash App balance. Linking your bank through your online banking login allows you to safely move funds at any time without a debit card. You can also manage your linked accounts from the same section, either by unlinking your current bank or adding a new one. Finally, make sure you have enough money in your bank account before starting the transfer to avoid failed transactions or any unexpected fees. Double-check that you're logged into the correct Cash App account, especially if you manage multiple accounts or devices. Being certain about both your bank balance and account details will help ensure a smooth, timely transfer. And that's how you can add money from your bank account to Cash App without using a debit card. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be able to safely move your funds anytime you need.